Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a little program to scrape URLs. So first of all we're going to change the directory to the desktop directory, and then we're going to create some user input and enter a URL in, and we're going to use the regex to sort the URL, and then we're going to grab the URLs on that domain, and then we're going to save all the URLs to a text file on our desktop. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to create the first function, and that's going to be called get URLs. Okay, so I'm going to create path here is equal to C users mark desktop. So that's the path to my desktop on Windows. It's not the path to your desktop, so don't type this in. You have to find your own unique desktop path, or else it's going to throw an error for you. So I'm going to have to import the OS directory here. So that's OS module, sorry, import OS. Okay, so that's going to be os.chddir, and that's going to be path. So we're going to change to that path. Okay, I'm just going to knock this out here because we don't need this anymore. So we're going to change to that path, which is my desktop path. That's where we're going to be saving the text file. So that's the first bit of code, and now we're going to create some user input, and the variable is URL. Assign that to input, and we're just going to say enter URL. This will be the URL of the site, and then we're going to strip out any white space. This. Okay, now we're going to create another variable called website content, and we've imported this requests module here. The regex is built in and the OS module is built in. You might have some problems with this. It's not built in, so you'll have to download it through pip. Okay, so that's our variable here, and we're going to say requests dot get, and that's going to be URL. That's going to be there dot text. Okay. Right, we're going to create another variable called URLs, and we're going to assign that to regex.findAll, and this is where we're going to do the searching using the regex. And we're going to type in HTTPS, then the question mark, and this is the regex here to search for it. And that's going to be in the website content. Okay. Now we're going to create a conditional. So if URLs, and we're going to create a text file here. which will end up on our desktop. And we're going to create a text file called urls.txt. And we're going to do the W flag here to create the file. Whoops, made a mistake there. Little typo. And as file object, and then it's going to be file object dot write. So it's going to write those URLs to the text file. I'm going to do a new line for each URL there, and then we're going to have to do dot join. That's going to be URLs. So we're going to join them. And then we're going to print a message to the user, print URLs saved to file. And if that's not the case, we're going to use the catch-all here, which is going to be else print example couldn't find any URLs. Okay, let's have a quick look back over that. File dot object right. Okay, dot join URLs. Right, all we have to do now is save it and call the program. Get URLs. Okay, save it again. Let's run the program. Got a bit of an error there. Oops, dear. Oh dear. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to enter a URL. So let's find a URL. I think I'm going to enter HTTPS example.com. Hit enter. It says URL saved to file, so it will have saved them on the desktop. So let's have a look. URLs here. Okay, so we've got that. Let's just delete that. Let's try another one. Okay, so I'm going to https.com, hit enter. URLs saved to file. Open, and there we go. So we've got URLs off this website. Just look at all that. These are all the URLs on the website. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.